Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Guys, in this new video I will show you how to get up to this amount of money, which is $40 in just one day. Actually, just for free. Actually, if you scroll down you will see that per any sign off will get $1 per sign off. Will get $1 per sign off every day. Now accumulate money is up to $41, so I will show you how to do it. So first of all, if you are new to our channel, please do whatever you can. Please like our video, subscribe to our channel for this way. So let me show you my channel so that you guys will go and subscribe and hit that button, subscribe to this channel for videos like. Actually, you see how my channel is I used to force many things, the what you have liked and etc. So let's move into the video. Right now this platform is what I call Partnerstack, which is Partnerstack. You see here is it. So right now this is my dashboard. I've started making up to 500 clicks, which is for 20 referral. Actually, you see if I scroll down, they say you have earned $1 for each sign off for customers and etc. You see January 2020. So you see that this person he uses email and sign off, and I have $1 up to 20 times. You can make passive income in this website. So actually, let me go to which is called Partnerstack. So here is it. Here is the company that they used to advertise. So actually, if you are coming, just come to here where you see Partnerstack. If you enter into this website, it will bring you to there where you can be able to sign off and etc. So actually, you will see how things actually work. You see they have the partner manager software, which is winner based relationship and etc. You see more information about a maximum performance Partnerstack and etc., which is automate your partner payout and etc. You see that you can make up to thousands of dollars, and many people are making thousands of dollars. You see how and even the review of the website, you will see many people are reviewing they say built by a team that goes partnership. You see, so if you wanna join this program, you go back to all where they say sign off or become a demo. But actually I'm giving you this step by step on how to do it. You see, fill of your name, your outstanding business name and etc. So fill all the information regarding to there. Me, I have already created mine, so I'm helping you to go through this tutorial to be able to create your own. So let's go back and show you where you can make passive income with it. You see here this place where they say our partner program, then click on it, then boom, it will take you to here. Become a Partnerstack certified partner. So you will see and earn a reward while you are at it. Actually, help more companies discover the powerful Partnerstack as you get certified, get access value resources and earn money. And I have started making it, so you guys can go and start making money in this website. Actually, there are what type of partner are you? The solution partner, which is the registered deal and etc. Referral partner, we can use to refer someone to your link when you sign up, you get commission. And affiliate marketing, which is affiliate program and run by driving traffic to the Partnerstack through unique traffic affiliate link. So I think you can be able to choose these two of this and referral partner and affiliate. But actually, I will choose affiliate me if I were you, because I have already created my and I choose affiliate because okay something. Please try again few moments. So let me click refresh. Let's see, maybe okay. So you see affiliate partners program. So you see your name, your Gmail, your everything you need to answer, web link and etc. And click next when you have already ready to create it. So actually, let me come out to my account and show you how much I've been earning and how to get traffic through your link to make as much as this passive income. So we have many resources, or I should say traffic, that we can be able to use and get clicks from our affiliate links. So actually, let me use Quora right now because I want to use it in order for you to understand more better. It's just my another way I can be able to share or promote my link actually. So if you are liking, or if you want more, get more links or clicks in your affiliate links, just head over to come to Quora and search for Quora review, then click enter. You will see that many people are asking and answering this question on Quora. You know, Quora is the one of the best platform that you can use to promote your link and get information about something that you want to search whenever someone has offered it. So see, there's no more review under Quora, but I can see these things. And let me show you something. Even this one, if they get more likes and what should I even say, and clicks, they will actually get more commission. So a day, if you see someone, and let's click on more, you see crowdle where he used to put his affiliate link. Whenever you click, you see crowdle, and the left you see that there's affiliate link in it. So when we click it, let's say I want to click it, you see it bring me to his crowdle affiliates. Even this website is the what we use to give affiliates. So let's scroll down, I'll show you their affiliate partners. So you will see that is partner program. I click on it, open new tab. You see that it brings us to there where we see the affiliate, but I assume that this is crowdle. Only crowdle that you can be able to promote here is only the link. But in partner program, you can be able to find more softwares and program you can promote. You see that I'm promoting Candle, Keep, Seller Funding, Thrivey, and a Tundra. So this one I'm starting on it, so I have to work hard before I get the clicks to promote. So you see there, join the crowdle partner program. Actually, if you are to apply, so click on apply for you to apply the crowdle partner program. So guys, I show you the one steps on how to promote your affiliate link. And number 2, we have what is called what are they call it, we have media. Then click on enter. Actually, once it open, which is medium.com, oh, my service is low, but actually I counted this video because I am low on charging. I don't want to chill all my service on it. So actually, I've been showing you the full step on how you can be able to create a partner program and sign off and collect your affiliate. So I don't show you how to collect your affiliate links, but actually let me go through it. Click on here. If you click on crowdle, sorry for my bad network, please, I don't know why it's doing that to me. You see, you can be able to copy your link once you click one of these your program. You see, if you click it and scroll down, you will see your partner program, your affiliate links. So thanks for watching. Due to the law of network, I have to stop it there. So please don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.